Ever wonder who's making all those antibodies while you're busy binge-watching shows and eating chips? Meet B cells, your immune system's antibody engineers. B cells are born in the bone like actual homebodies. Every day, millions are made. It's like a B cell baby boom in there.
Hi, I'm brand new and extremely confused.
B cells are made in the bone marrow, kind of like a tiny immune system factory. Millions are made every day, but only the best pass immune school.
Then I get a diploma if I don't attack myself?
Yes, self-control is a graduation requirement. Autoimmune B cells? Terminated. Once mature, B cells head out into the body. They're fewer than T cells, only about 20% of the lymphocytes in your blood, but they're key players in humoral immunity.
I handle hand-to-hand combat. I'll
Just make antibodies and let them do the job. Each B cell is equipped with B cell receptors, or BCRs, basically sensors made from antibodies like IgM and IgD. These receptors help them spot invaders called antigens. When a B cell spots an antigen, it doesn't run into battle. Instead, it activates and calls in reinforcements, the antibodies. Tiniest antibodies tag the invaders for destruction. Think of them like post-it notes that scream, "Destroy this germ!" B cells come in 4 flavors. 1. Transitional B cells. I'm still figuring things out. Stage between immature and mature. Pass through 2 phases. T1 period between the migration of cells from bone marrow to spleen, and T2 training in the spleen. Undergo testing to prevent autoimmunity. 2. Naive B cells. I'm ready, just waiting for an enemy, fully mature but haven't met an antigen. Can become plasma or memory cells after activation. Includes a cool subclass, Breg cells that regulate immune responses. 3. Plasma cells. I'm the antibody cannon, the antibody factories. Activated through T-cell dependent activation with a helper T-cell pep talk. T-cell independent activation. Solo mission only makes IgM though. 4. Memory B cells, ain't I remember everything. Long-lived cells that remember past antigens. Faster response during reinfection. Formed in germinal centers via T-cell dependent or independent methods. B cells can activate in 2 ways. With T cells, helper T cells give them a motivational speech and boom, full plasma cell mode unlocked. Without T cells, they handle simple invaders alone, but only make basic IgM antibodies. B cells are also professional antigen presenters. They show off chunks of the enemy to T cells, helping the immune system decide what to do next.
Suspicious. Let's destroy it.
B cells don't attack cancer or transplants, and they don't chase infections, they just send in antibodies. Kind of like immune system snipers. B cells produce antibodies, present antigens, secrete cytokines, and help regulate immune responses. They're also used in cutting-edge immunotherapy. Un-B cells, they might be small, but they've got big immune energy. So next time you fight a cold, thank your B cells, the nerdy defenders of your health.